Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your watch and phone. Make sure the watch is charged above 50% and Bluetooth is on. Next, open the Galaxy Store or Galaxy Wearable and install Samsung Health Monitor, then sign into your Samsung account. Once done, grant the app requested permissions for sensors, notifications, and location so readings can sync. This sets the foundation. You won't proceed until the phone and watch are paired and the app has access to sensors it needs. Now you pair and calibrate. Open Samsung Health Monitor and follow the on-screen steps to connect your watch. Allow connection requests. Make sure the watch sits snugly on your wrist, then rest quietly for 5 minutes before starting calibration so sensors stabilize. Enable ECG and blood pressure features if prompted and complete the initial measurements as instructed. This links watch readings to the app. After calibration, the app will store baseline values and verify successful pairing before you continue. Finish by reviewing saved readings and turning on auto-sync so future measurements upload automatically. Make sure notification and permission settings suit your needs. If the app or watch prompts for firmware updates, install them and then rerun calibration to keep accuracy. If you hit a problem, app crashes, no readings, or sync fails, restart both watch and phone, reopen the app, and regrant permissions. That simple reset resolves most issues and gets measurements flowing again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.